So I went to Best Buy earlier and I got a MacBook finally. It's a MacBook Air, 13-inch, 512 gigabytes. This thing was expensive. It was about $1,500. I'm gonna open it up. Okay. Yeah, here it is. Immediately turned on. That's cool. Power brick. It's on. It's on.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay. Okay. That's the brick. There's the cord. That's the box. It's nice. That thing is huge.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use
Loading. Okay, ready. It's on. It's cool. I love it. So there it is. As for comparison, that's my hand. It's 13 inches long by like, I don't know, like 8 inches tall. It's pretty cool. This is a fingerprint scanner. I found out I can unlock the Mac by using my finger here. The buttons, it's really light. I'll show comparison to my other laptop. As for comparison, this is my old laptop. It's HP. I got it used because I didn't really have the money at the time when I got it, but now I got the money. And then here's the comparison to it. It's shorter. It's about an inch shorter. It's a couple inches shorter also, but it's nice. It's not touchscreen. I wish it was touchscreen, but it would have been like probably $2,000 to get touchscreen. And that's all.